So what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be teaching you how I decorated this cake. Please, if you are new to the channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment and get me to that 1000 subscribers. Ciao! So here's into the video. So I'll just be covering this cake with plain buttercream. Yeah. By the way guys, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. You guys are the absolute best. By the way, I attempted making this buttercream plain, a bit whiter, but added a little bit of purple color. Not turned out so well, so I guess I will have to I'll have to try it out again later on in the future. So I will continue with covering or scraping it and making it smooth. I'll continue with making it smooth. So let's go. Yeah, you have to be as slow as possible. You have to be really slow so it doesn't flop up on you. So you just carrying that time, you just be filling up the gaps. So I'll just be working on my top with it. Then I will be smoothing. So I think we have a perfect cake. So we'll continue with sorry about that. Smoothing the top. So here is it. So right about now, I'll be clearing my table and bringing on my decorating elements. See you when I get back. Action. So I'm coming back. I'll just be adding a bit of sugar syrup on top of this cake around here. And I'll be painting it or dusting it with gold. This is like a dry gold mixture, so I'll just be dusting it. I'm not really I don't really want emphasis on because that's why I'm not wetting. I know wetting, so I'm just dusting it a bit with gold to give it this gold shiny effect on it. I don't really want the whole painty vibe, so I'm just dusting it kind of on it. Okay. So to give you this shiny vibe inside. Then moving on, I'll be adding my flower somewhere around here. Okay. Then some butterflies. Adding here. Adding this here. I'll add this here. Okay, this is how the thing is looking right now. So I'll just be cutting some flowers and I'll be adding it at the adjacent base to create a nice contrasting look. Then adding this at the adjacent base of the bigger flower just to create some nice contrasting look or alternative look. Yeah. So right here I'll be adding happy birthday topper and I'll be writing more at the top. So yeah, so look at this as well to the end of this video. Please do to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.